Hey guys, Kevin here, and a few years ago I made a video about this very spot. Here it is again. Rice vending machines. That's right, these are rice vending machines, guys. This is in Akashi, Japan. So you get this kind of rice right here. Pay 1,950 yen, and you get a 5 kg bag. This one, 1,600 yen. Get yourself a 5 kg bag. Put your money in here. And you get yourself rice. So there you go, guys. Vending machines for everything. You might even get a 10 kg bag of rice. So here in Japan, it's 24 hours too, guys. 24-hour rice bag vending machine. What more can you ask for in life? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I couldn't ask for anything else.